The AGITO was an immediate solution, sometimes to problems we didn't even realize we had.
It's a 21st century robotic dolly with most of the benefits of a Steadicam, and it doesn't get tired. It can move with a precision of 1 inch or over 20 miles an hour. It just drives right in and gets the shot and it rolls on to the next scene.
My favorite thing about the AGITO is really the AGITO Master. It has a great cadence, the rockers feel good on your hands, and it's a really intuitive remote controller.
It's super simple to use. I've handed the controls over to a dolly grip the first time, and in 10 minutes they're already performing precision shots.
We're also impressed with the speeds that it can go. That's the smoothest thing that we've ever seen out there.
Safety thing is one of the things you've got to remember. You can put this thing in places where you couldn't safely put a camera and dolly.
Well, what that means is we can put the AGITO outside of a bend and not risk a tyre blowing out. It's safe, but it's also dramatic.
Also love how close you can operate to the talent for performance and the actor not feel like a ton of crew is just jammed all up in their face.
Once you see the AGITO, you think like, oh, speed, fast tracking, fast shots, just to show how versatile the rig is, doing this like super slow, precise starting and stopping movement. It's amazing. I'm in love with the thing. It's just the flexibility of the rig and where you can place the camera and the shots that you can do on the fly, quickly, efficiently, incredibly quiet. I'm definitely going to be pitching this on my next shoot, for sure.